Light, you son of a bitch!
Stop wriggling, come here.
I'm trying not to wriggle back at me.
There you go.
Yay!
So much for the picture.
Yeah, I know. Oh, you can get a picture now, hurry up! Oh, Jonabelle! Oh, we're crossing tips, Fluffy! Stop it, it's a sparklight!
Got a sparkly bit.
What?
Come on and have a book at the end down. No, Chloe. Yeah, Chloe did. Basically came on.
Yeah, I've already had this discussion. I've already had this.
Like